Hello class 5th student, let's continue our part 3 chapter 7 beautiful person 3. Here again we read about the two persons story in which one is Meenu and her friend. So Meenu's friend sharp nose wrinkles mischievously means having badly wrinkles when we are in the anger or in a serious way. We see that some wrinkles are on our faces, so her nose is full of wrinkles. Come on Meenu, she plead means ask in a serious way. So in a serious way she say, come on Meenu, let's go, we have to go. Switch the salt and sugar means we have to change the salt with the sugar. Means on the place of salt we have to put the sugar, and on the place of sugar we have to put the salt. It's 11 p.m. the night before April Fool's Day. Means it is the incidence before the 1st April night before April Fool's, means 1st April's Eve we can say. So it is 11 p.m. now they are preparing for making fool to their friends. That's why they want to change the salt to the sugar and sugar to the salt, and say, and my friend Maddie and I are thinking of one of our usual prank. Means they are thinking, who are her friend and Maddie, both are thinking about it, that usual prank means usually they do such type of joke. Prank means joke, fun. So usually means in a regular way they do such type of joke, that they switch the salt to sugar and sugar to salt. Maddie does not follow what other think she should be. Means he doesn't mean that what other persons thinks about it. We know such type of persons that they don't think, don't care about it, who are thinking about them. The people think about them is correct or not, they don't bother about it. She follow fashion trend and prefer tight fitting jeans. Means always she trying to follow the fashion trend, the upcoming fashions or the latest fashion, and prefer to wearing tight jeans and top. She listen to the latest song and attend all the parties. So all parties attend by her, and the latest music also she prefer. Everyone loves her because of her goods and ability to make good talk. Means while she is talking, it will very polite or smart way, so everyone likes her. And also she is good looking, she is ambitious and want to always remain on top. Means she is very ambitious, having so many desires, and always try to live on the top. I feel she is my best friend, and I feel this thing that she is my best friend. A new girl named Bhavita has joined our class. Now here is already 2 girls. Now one more girl, Bhavita, who is nude, and she joined their class. She is very tall, fat, and not pretty, means not good looking. She speaks well, but the qualities are she speaks well, is very intelligent and knowledgeable about everything. She having the knowledge about everything, and soon becomes very popular in the class, and soon she will become popular in the class or famous in the class. One day there was a singing competition in which both Maddie and Bhavita took part. Already Maddie and Meenu are friend, so, and one new girl, that is Bhavita. So Maddie and Bhavita both took part in the singing competition. Everyone was cheering for Bhavita as she new and very popular in the class, so everyone cheered for the Bhavita. Maddie sang first and forgot a line of the song. And Maddie is the friend of whose friend? Meenu. But managed to complete the song, although Maddie forgot some line. Okay, forgot some line, but she managed to complete the song. It was then Bhavita's turn. Then the second turn is of Bhavita. I saw Maddie disappear backstage. So she saw this thing that Maddie is not present there. Bhavita starts singing. But after a couple of lines, her voice could not be heard. But after a couple of lines, means when Maddie disappear backstage, it means that Bhavita is singing well. So the impact of the Maddie is not just like the Bhavita. It's fainted. So but while Bhavita starts singing only 2 or 3 lines, couple of lines means 2 lines, her voice could not be heard. Then suddenly the sound returned and mic was working, and after that suddenly her sound is returned and mic getting working. Means we can say it is a technical issue that the mic is not working, and after that it is working. Someone had switched off the mic, but it's not a genuine issue. Someone consciously do this thing that switch off the mic. I rushed backstage. When I got backstage to see what had happened, I was shocked to find that Maddie has switched on the mic. I was shocked that Maddie had switched on the mic. On asking her the reason for doing this, then he asked the reason of this. She said that enough she was scared that Bhavita was better than her. So for the thing, she was scared that Bhavita was better than her and would win the competition. Because Bhavita is better than her and possibly he would win the competition. She could bear the injustice when she found that someone had switched off the mic. Means if she is very popular and everyone think about it, that so any could do the injustice, so why she not? And she says, if I don't do this, then anyone can do this. So I was glad to find my best friend do such a thing. Means I feel happy to see that my best friend do such a thing. A person has to be a good human being who lives and lets other people live. Means we can say that a person has to be good human being who lives and lets other people live. Means who live in itself and not teasing the other ones. Means we listen that phrase that जियो और जीने दो. Means they live happily in their life and they make other peoples to live happily. The test of beauty lies within a person's and not what is shown to others. Means we can say that the inner beauty is most important. The beauty always live inside the person, not the things which are shown to others. Means the inner beauty is more important than the outer beauty. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.